This is a play about my fridge.
That's me.
It behaved very, very badly.
Not always.
There's something very wrong with you.
She doesn't like me.
I mostly hate you.
I wish you loved me.
How can I when you're always breaking down?
I'm a fridge. We make mistakes.
And I never know why.
It's the fan.
It's the compressor.
It's the panel.
It's the it's the sensor.
I don't know what it is.
Don't get rid of me.
I need you to work right.
Can't you call another repairman?
You'll need new parts.
How many?
I'm not sure yet.
You'll definitely need some new parts. I'll have to order them.
How long will it take?
Uh, I don't know yet.
Scream! I'm saying scream instead of actually screaming because I fear any additional vibrations in this house will cause something else to be wrong with you.
Sorry. And thank you.
Why can't you be good?
I don't do it on purpose.
Well, it isn't me. None of my other fridges were like you.
I know. You keep telling me.
And you keep failing me.
But you've never sent me back.
Well, I kept hoping it was a glitch, a minor problem that would somehow resolve itself.
It's the compressor.
Shut up!
I want to be good. You've been nice to me. You've kept me clean.
I try.
You throw out old food pretty quickly.
I do try.
You're gentle with my door. Some people rattle the shelves, but not you.
I try very, very hard. Why can't you just behave?
I'm not doing it on purpose.
You're supposed to be better. I purchased a very high-end luxury item.
Is that what I am?
You cost a ton of money.
Wow. I didn't know.
So now you understand why I'm disappointed, right?
You want me to live up to my potential.
Exactly. I spend a lot of time taking care of you.
I know.
There are many other things I could be doing with my time.
I said I know.
This isn't a free ride. You need electricity, lots of it, and cleaning supplies and repairs, and it all adds up.
If you were a pioneer woman, you wouldn't have a fridge.
Do I look like a pioneer woman?
Or living in a third world country.
Would you like to live somewhere else? Would you like me to find you another place to live?
No! I like it here.
Well, you don't seem very grateful.
I am. And I care about you.
How? You don't have any feelings.
That hurts.
Why can't you be better?
I don't know. Maybe it's my components, or maybe something went wrong in the factory.
I need a working fridge.
Can't you call another repairman?
Oh, those parts I mentioned? It'll take at least a month.
Scream!
Sorry, I can't get to you till like late January.
Scream, scream!
If it were me, I'd replace it.
No!
Well, they don't make this model anymore.
Oh, buy the newer model.
I'll try harder.
Well, how is the newer model different?
Well, you won't have as many shelves.
The ice maker is smaller.
And with cost control the way it is today,
They cut
corners.
That sounds painful.
But it'll be cold, right? It will keep my food cold.
But the light won't be the same.
The door handle's heavier.
It might not fit beneath your customized cabinetry.
Scream!
But I could get it to you tomorrow.
I could definitely get it here tomorrow.
So, think about it.
Think about it. Think about it.
Think about it.
I don't know what to do.
If you want to dump me, then go ahead.
What?
I know, I'm unreliable.
I have my yogurt to think about.
And your camembert, too.
Well, it isn't my first choice, but
It's okay. Just do it quick.
So, you're replacing it.
I don't have a choice, do I? What do I do with the old one?
I'll take it.
What?
Yeah, I could use it at home.
For what?
Practice parts. Taking it apart and putting it back together to gain experience. Not me, for a friend.
You live with another repairman.
Or I could try turning it into something else.
Like?
Don't know yet. Gotta take it apart first.
Ouch.
I'll take it.
What's going on here?
You just said you're getting rid of it.
What do you even do with it?
Storage. I'd put it in my backyard.
You'd keep a broken fridge in your yard.
Well, it wouldn't be a fridge exactly.
Uh-oh.
I'd take the door off, turn it into sort of a display cabinet.
For
Plants.
what type of plants?
Plants that aren't always illegal.
That sounds nice.
No! I'm not letting you use this appliance for your weed storage.
You just said you're getting rid of it.
Go away!
Jeez, I'm just trying to help you out here.
How? You have no idea how to fix it.
Good luck lugging that thing to the dump.
Can you believe her?
Some people expect everything.
Thinks she's better than anyone else.
Thinks her money can buy her anything.
Thinks she owns the world.
Yeah, it's no wonder nobody else lives here.
Hey, I'm on break now. You want to go grab a beer?
Sure. Hey, you want to buy some weed?
Ooh, how much?
I'm sorry. That wasn't nice. Oh, I'd fight him if I could.
Thanks.
You can call somebody now.
What?
Someone to cart me away.
You're not going anywhere.
But you said that...
I said a lot of things, but I chose you. And you know why? Because I like you.
Really?
Who else knows what kind of yogurt I eat or the type of meat I buy?
Oh, I know you drink almond milk too.
We'll find someone to fix you.
How?
I'll keep trying, okay? I'm lucky to have you.
Even though I'm broken?
I'm broken too. Really? In some ways, we're all broken. But we'll work on it, okay? I'm going to go make some calls now.
See? It isn't that bad being me. I can do this. I can do it.